Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and I am back on the Softail Lowrider today, and I want to tell you about our Black Stash Chin Spoiler. This is a really cool little part, gives the bike a ton of attitude. It simply snaps on over the top of the radiator and then secures on the inside of the frame. Very clean looking. Comes with this cool little grill that you can color match, or you can customize or plate it or black it. It's got these really cool little accents on it. They're also a great place for either light or to bring in a little paint detail. It matches the bottom of the frame and flows vertically with the bottom of the frame. Made right here in Phoenix. It's a really cool part. Takes just a couple minutes to install it. And boy, does it clean up. It hides the regulator and it hides the radiator, which are these two really ugly components that sit between the middle of the frame. So I think you guys will really like it. Check it out at paulyafeoriginals.com and check out all the other killer parts we make for your Softail and your Bagger.